What up, everybody? Welcome back. Tonight, we got another quick bracelet to make. This is for Annop from California, another Amazon order. Recently just got one. Just joined the Burr Army with a nice, I believe it was a black original with brass 45 ACP casings. Well, this time they wanted woodland camo. Woodland camo came a long way. I've had so many different iterations of this cord, like the pattern for this cord. It's incredible. So that's one of the things about these kind of bracelets or these kind of like cords when you're doing it from a different company or you're buying your cord from a company. Whenever they decide to change the pattern, you're just along for the ride. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully they just change something that you actually enjoy or like, or to still represent the theme or the color scheme you've been going for that color. So woodland camo is it's like the 5th time it's changed, which each time I like it even more. But yeah, so Annop, appreciate you coming back, getting that collection pretty the fun part, huh? Getting that collection up here pretty fast. I greatly appreciate the support. But quick talking point while we sit here and do the same old mundane thing. How's everybody doing? How's everybody New Year started so far? Let me know. I'll tell you what I've been big into recently as a 35 going on 36-year-old man. Of course I'm a gamer. You know what I'm saying? I'm a gamer, and forever in my life going to be that. PlayStation Portal. If you guys haven't looked into that, if you got kids, if you're fathers, if you're busy people, husband, wife, and hog TVs or whatever, and you just want to game, the Portal is like the best thing that I've got. A lot of people don't like it because they don't understand what it's about, but I love being able to play my PS5 anywhere in the house. Like, I ain't gotta be directly sitting in my gaming chair, this chair, because it gets uncomfortable after a while, long periods of sitting or whatever. But so to be on my couch or to be in my bed or to be in the bathroom and be able to play the PS5 still in the house, all my games like that, is amazing. So that's been getting a lot of hours for me lately, but you guys let me know what you guys been playing. Like, I'm a big gamer, I do. It's probably like my 5th channel. My 5th channel. Of course, you guys know, I got a music reaction channel I was doing for 3 years. I might go back to that. I'm almost 10,000 subs. I'll be busy, man. I'll be busy. But woodland camo for Annop real quick to spin back. The one in brass 9mm casings. I think it's the perfect option, especially for woodland camo. You gotta go brass. But we're gonna knock this out. But yeah, y'all, go talk to me in the comments, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that fantastic YouTube stuff for the algorithm, But you ain't got to if you don't want to. I appreciate you just viewing, stopping by, saying what's up. If you're interested in a bracelet, of course, links is in the channel, burarmsbracelets.com. You can find me on Etsy, you can find me on Amazon, you can find me at the website. 10 years strong. I've been doing this, so don't think this is just some random guy out here. Now, I've been doing this for a while. I hold the patent for the bracelets, so that's been fantastic to utilize and pull out in negotiation when you in talks with companies or a store or something like that who want to stock, or 2024 will be a great year. 2024 will be a great year, but I just hope it so far started out fantastic for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Nothing but blessings and positivity. And here we go with a woodland camo for not going to California to match the 4, a little bit smaller, because from the 45 to the 9, it's a little difference, but I enjoyed nonetheless. So let me know in the comments below. Let's talk some games. What you guys got up for the new year. If you joined the Burr Army right now, if you're there, go ahead and give me a salute emoji in the chat. I'll be looking for you. If not, just whenever you want to cross that bridge. But as always, man, it's your boy Shine, Burr Arms Bracelets. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.